Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook as of 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and type on the address bar facebook.com and you will see an interface like this. Now, normally click on this down arrow icon and here you have to choose settings and privacy. Now choose again settings. After that, you have to click on this tab. And from here, you have to choose your account and click on name. And from here, you can enter your first name, middle name and last name. Here you can see that I already changed my name with a proper verification using NID. So I can't change my name here. So if you haven't changed your ID using a proper verification of NID, then you can change your name within every 60 days. So just normally you have to enter your first name, middle name and last name. And then here you will see an option to review. Click on that and enter your password and your name will be changed immediately. So that's very simple. So that's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.